It's my eyebrow.
Oh, he like it. Maybe I need to put on a few pounds. Oh, look it. There's Mama Lisa and Ozzy. Oh, ain't that sweet? Oh, getting all the love-ins.
Yes.
You gonna tell Mama Lisa how you cry like a ball baby? See, see, I just woke up. I'm not in the mood. Ain't that sweet? Say howdy, partners. The couch is comfortable. It's real leather. Aww. Bouncy, 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 fun, 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 fun. The wonderful thing about Tiggers is you're not the only one.
Okay. Okay.
Oh, he loved that. Oh, give Mama Lisa the kissy kiss. Oh, Sandy seen him and she said he reminded her of your old cat Frankie a little bit. Remember your cat Frankie? Yeah. Look. Mama Lisa don't want to see your brown eye. Nikki. He'll get, cat stuck up there. Say hey. I'm looking scary.
Okay. I'm gonna go.
I wanted to show you, but I'm getting it.
I gotta get this smelled out first here.
I'm getting a bed from a place from the breathing association.